It's 10 tablespoons, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay. Hello, welcome back to Cook and a Half. Today, Artie and I are going to make a date snack cake. And you have to call it a snack cake because that means you can eat it anytime. I'm using these dates. I'm using the cheapy dates. Don't spend your money on Medjool dates here because we're going to break it up and no one's ever going to know. So the regular old dates work great. It has a little cinnamon, simple spice cake, and a delicious brown sugar and cream glaze. For more recipes like this one, be sure to like and subscribe. Let's do it. So before Artie joins me, I'm going to chop up these dates and cook them on the stove to soften them slightly. It's a rough chop. That's about it. So the first thing we're going to do is just cook our chopped dates a little bit in some water to soften them up. Bring that up to a simmer and cook them for about 3 minutes until they start to fall apart. I am doing this to break down the dates so that basically once we add the baking soda, it's really going to break them down and sort of make like a date mush, which incorporates really nicely into the cake with some larger pieces, but it also adds a lot of moisture and sweetness. This is why you can use the cheap dates for this cake. So now I'm going to take this off the heat and I am going to put in my baking soda. We'll foam up a little bit. And basically just, I don't know why, but break the dates down. So now I'm going to let these cool completely and Artie and I will get started on the rest of the cake. This is a very important life lesson. Are you ready for it? I'm going to teach you how to measure flour.
Can I do it?
Yes, you can do it. So it's called scoop and sweep. Good. Stay in the bin. Okay. Now you have to level it off. Okay. Boop.
Now sugar.
Want me to pour this? I'll pour it. Okay. Are you going to help me make this cake? Okay, we don't need this yet, but we will. Let's mix our dry ingredients first. No?
No.
Okay, I'll do it because...
What? I want it.
Baking powder. No. You don't have to taste everything.
Now
What's
this.
that?
It tastes like banana.
Cinnamon. Now we have to mix our
Hey,
dry...
I want to
salt.
mix it. I want to mix. Hey, I want to.
I know. We had to... No. Okay, can you do it without getting flour everywhere? Oh, very nicely done, my love.
Do we have to get the brown stuff gone?
Yeah. Can you get the brown stuff gone? You're doing great. Okay. I think the brown stuff is pretty gone. Okay. Okay. Hey. What are you doing?
I'm being really crazy.
Okay, now I'll do 10 tablespoons of butter. We have to put the sugar in.
Now can I use it?
Yes. Can I help you?
No, all I can do is...
You're doing a good job.
I'm going like zooming like...
Now I'll hold the bowl for you. You're doing a good job, my baby. I think that looks pretty good. Now, how about this? Do you want to crack the eggs?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
And then I'll mix the egg with this.
Okay. Yeah? Now split it open over the bowl.
Some on my feet.
90% got in there. Okay.
Hey, I want to do it.
Can you move it around so you get all the butter in? Okay, pretty good. Now I'll put the sour cream.
How will you do it? I'll mix it.
Okay. Okay. Putting in our sour cream. Can I put in the vanilla?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I want to do the melon.
Can you do both at the same time? Ooh, Papa. Okay. Is it all mixed? Okay. Now we'll add our date puree.
And then I'll mix it.
Mm-hmm. And I want to show the...
Ew.
Look at how much our dates broke down.
Ew.
No, they're not gross. They're good. Okay, so we'll put our date mixture in.
Mix.
Okay.
It's like a tornado that is going in the cake.
It's like what?
A tornado.
Now we're going to add this, and it's going to make a big mess.
Put it in.
Yes, sir. Okay. I don't know. How are we going to do this without making a humongous mess?
I know. Just get a handful and put it in.
You know, that's not a terrible idea. Why don't we just do a little at a time? Okay. Shall I add a little more?
So,
Okay.
follow me. All of it.
Yes, sir. It's a very easy cake.
I just
Dada, don't do it again. We have a 9-inch pan that I've buttered and lined with parchment. And now we'll just pop our...
Can I do it?
Sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
Carefully.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
good job.
Yeah.
There's batter everywhere. But that's okay. Hopefully some of what we needed to go to the batter went into the batter. TBD. We're going to spread it out. Doesn't it smell? It smells really good already.
It smells like you.
It smells like me?
Uh-huh.
I'll take it. One episode he said I had delicious fingers.
It tastes like someone's finger.
Someone who has delicious fingers. Today I smell like date cake. Actually, it's probably true because it's all over the place. Okay. And now, this bakes for 20 minutes until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Sound good?
I like to lick the flour.
Please don't. While our cake is cooling, I'm going to whip up this little glaze. So we start by melting our butter in a little pot. And you do want to kind of do this right before you put it on. To that, we're just adding a little bit of brown sugar. I'm using dark. You can use light. Heavy cream. And salt. We'll just simmer this for about 3 minutes. And then we can put it on our cake.
I'll come back in the boat and then can we eat some cake?
Oh, I'll not pedal.
Okay, you paddle a little bit more.
Off to England.
Okay, off to England to eat our cake. Let's go. Let's go.
So this has been cooking for about 3 minutes and it's gotten a little bit thicker. It will continue to thicken as it cools. We'll take it off the heat, let it cool a little bit, and then pour it on our cake.
I'm gonna get out of the boat now
Why?
so we can eat cake.
What is this?
That is a sauce that I made to go on our cake. You want to help me put the sauce on? You know what we can do? We can just pour it.
What?
You can just go like this. Whoa! Whoa! It's gonna run off the edge. Okay, we'll get a clean spatula.
It tastes like mama.
Every time, huh? That looks pretty good. What do you think? You like the glaze? You like the glaze. All right.
Not for also.
I'm just cutting little pieces to start. You want to try a piece?
Ah.
No?
No.
Okay, I will.
No.
That is good. Very tender and moist. Want to taste it?
Nah.
Okay. Someone's going to stick to Glaze, but I think the cake is pretty good.
Like and subscribe for more playground, for more toilet, for more lemon, for more cake, for more Gabriella,
Like and subscribe for more.
Santa Claus,
How about like and subscribe for more Arthur?
for more cook and a half, for more oil. Like and subscribe for more. Like and subscribe.
To find this recipe, go to food52.com and come back twice a month for more Cook and a Half.
Now read this.
Okay, let's read. I feel like I didn't say anything this whole episode because it was such chaos.